Atenção! Atenção! É agora que o bicho vai pegar! Sucesso!
DJ Alysom detonando.
What? The cat is back.
The Transformers, man, it's bad, man.
Can you do it, dog?
Yeah.
Yo, I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. I want to teach you a new dance called the Transformer.
Now listen up, everybody, here's a brand new dance. It's there with style, cool performance, and tip with elegance. Now the beat that you hear is what you're doing it off. Just pump that body in a transformation like the boss. I am Megatron, master, I'm the dance inventor. I injected and perfected, now I'm the presenter. If you do it with some action, you'll gain satisfaction. Just look up at your partner's face, see the reaction. The party is in service, so take notes on my direction. Cause a riot, don't be quiet, do it with some affection. First amplify bass and highs, but you must know, if you turn your volume past 10, your speakers will blow. Now let's do the Transformer, get that body in position. Shake that bottom like a madman to the beat of my technician. Put your arms folded in your chest and break it on down. At the same time your bottom is pumping to my sounds. Be erotic and exotic as if you're reborn. DJ Needle, stop the music, now transform. Now this ain't the school craft nor the dance cabbage patch, so whoever think it is, then bust that. My melody is humming like a J-Bird's whistle, making you hop like a toad, then explode like a missile. We be jamming, transforming on the girls all night, smoking doobies, oh I need a light. But like everybody in the place, you should be getting busy. Perspire, do my dance until you get dizzy. Don't hog on the wall, get off and boogie down. Mega John space dropping and I'm going to town. It's getting rowdy, it's crowdy, you're working that body. A fifth of Bacardi is being served in the party. The Transformer is a dance made for you all. You doesn't matter if you're black or white, we're still gonna ball. So make steps, crank the amp, let the woofers talk. I test the EQ, pump it up, let the posses walk. Form it at home, on the job, we're at the college dorm. DJ Needle, stop the music, now transform. Now the song is nearly finished and I'm still kicking life. My funky bass is steady pumping and I'm talking no jive. Got 40 tweeters humming rhymes, mid-ranges are clear. Heavy bass shakes the place and controls your ear. The force that you hear is conducted by me, a poetry majesty, living true prophecy. My companion DJ Needle's aggravated by fuss. He's letting strain off his brain, cutting records to dust. Emulator, updater, he's a master on the fader. When he demonstrates his rate, you'll agree that he's
situation now?
I don't know. I don't know.
Girl, close your eyes, because you won't need the moment when you start jumping on the pole. Sack, just down a post, splat, 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 splat. Ooh, when I hit it from the back, now you know my name, you know the game, you know my style. So don't front with the lips, or I'm gonna trip. So make it worth my while. Girls, shake it, hips, legs, size, make me rise. Don't be surprised, cause I'm twice the size of those other guys that you never have time for anymore, cause they were poor. Ring with the ding, 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 a ling. I won't be neglected, I won't be denied. But if you don't wanna go downtown, well, I can say I tried. Well, you might call me promiscuous, so Mr. Less, the Big Daddy Test. Now you was out there looking for the match, but here I am to save the day. So what you wanna do? Cause if you go downtown, I'll go down to you. I've got to understand, I'm Jazzy Faye, and I am the man, so your plans I can't so. Here comes my muscle, we toss and touch. Show me what we would say, what we would say. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here comes my man. Now you know that ain't my style, it's my nature, yes, I must admit it. Yet still you persist to make me the last on your list about, think about it, or maybe next time, baby. Oh, how I'm with you. We're together whenever I do whatever it takes to make your body shake, your liver quiver, I deliver. Like dominoes, you lay flat on your back like a postage stamp. For example, I'll lick you and stick you and sing you on your like step up if you're ready for the roll. Hot set from the east to the west coast. Button up like a hot stack of French toast. Swing hot, swing ho from the back toe. Hot right step, we don't even try to mistake me for a gangster. Just because I lift the rub it up and flip it up and yo, drop it in the tub. Freaky nature, freaky behavior. Drop those panties cause nothing can save ya. From the Funkahawliks world. Say don't X my niggas on you. No, she stop. No. Slide, tell them why. Don't you come up till I get
Alpha Vita.
I'm a Truz and Vogues. get on the floor if you got that booty. Ain't number two then get on the floor if you got that booty. Ain't number two then fruity. Get on the floor if you got that booty.
Get funky, 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 get funky. Get on the floor if you got that booty. Ain't number two then get on the floor if you got that booty. Ain't number two then get on the floor if you got that booty. Ain't number two then fruity. Get on the floor if you got that booty.
Throw your hands in the air, the place is baking. Your body is sweating and the walls are shaking. Now we got something new and it can never be whack. Party people everywhere, let's get to the max.
Toca as melhores. DJ Alysom.